What's going on, guys, and welcome to bullgearrc videos. So at first glance it probably doesn't look like a whole bunch has changed since last video on our MST CMX Sand Scorcher build, but yeah, we've made quite a little bit of progress. So let me just show you what we got going on here. Oh yeah, so last few days I've been tinkering, and we've went ahead and we've added a Hobbywing axe system to this 2300 kV. We got the firmware updated. We got the motor paired with the ESC, and I think that's going to give us a lot better crawling control with this rig. We got our ESC mounted in here nicely, and then here in the back, as you can see, we've got our I got a little Traxxas waterproof receiver box back here. I just went and bought a couple different kinds. I didn't know which one was going to work with this thing, but this one worked out pretty good. I made a little styrene shelf back here in the back for that to sit on. Used, what was it, 0.04 thick styrene. First I didn't think it was going to be thick enough, but once we bolted it down, it's actually pretty strong. And the way that bolted down, there's these holes here in the on the bottom side. The little nuts, I was able to press those in, so they're kind of a tight fit in there, and it kind of just worked out perfect because you can just screw and unscrew this right from the top here. Now for a receiver, I used we put a Spectrum in here. It's a 5-channel Spectrum receiver. That way, if in the future I want to add some accessories, lights or whatever, we got extra channels for all that stuff. And the reason I stopped to do all the electronics as opposed to moving on to body work was, you know, I just want to see where everything is going to be on the inside, because as we move forward, you know, I don't want that view from the outside. I don't want to see up inside. I kind of want to hide all that stuff if I can, and this is where it gets challenging for me. And that's one of the things I like about this build, because, you know, now I'm stepping into territory that you know, I don't have a lot of experience with, but we are going to you know, build some little inner fenders. We got to figure out some way to put some rock sliders in here, and you know, we got some nice little curves here that we're going to have to deal with. I think we can mount our rock sliders right here and here. That's going to be probably fairly simple, but you know, we just got to get, you know, that's gonna flex there if we don't have something to protect it, and I don't want to break the body, so we got to get something in here. And I notice there's a nice little ridge right here, so we can probably get something that this body is going to lay right into going on. And you know, that's one of the things I got to think about, how I'm going to do that exactly. That's one of the things I like about this build, because there's really no instruction manual with it. You just kind of got to figure it out as you go. And at my particular skill level, this is kind of what's next. You know, I've taken trucks apart, put replacement modification parts on. I've done a lot of stuff like that, you know. As far as building a kit, I haven't done that, but that all seems pretty simple and straightforward to me. There's instruction manuals with all of that, but this is, you know, this is just kind of off the cuff here. You just kind of got to figure out what you're going to do to build this, and that, you know, like I said, that's what's interesting to me right now with where I'm at in the hobby. because, you know, I've kind of done a bunch of the other stuff, and I got to keep pushing myself to you know, get better. That's what we do in this hobby, is, you know, try to learn, try to get better at it. So what I'm seeing next is probably some styrene work, and you know, that's where I get kind of hesitant, because, you know, in the past I haven't been that good at it. But we're going to press on, and we're going to get this thing looking pretty good, I think, I hope anyway. And anyhow, that's where we're at this week, guys, and next week we'll try to get some more done. I think I gotta go to the house tomorrow, so we do have to pick up some more pieces and parts. I did not bring the little harness that goes to this battery with me, and we're probably gonna have to shorten up these wires here a little bit, and, you know, got a few little odds and ends to clean up with the electronics. And then we're gonna get into you know, other work with this, try to get it all fitted up. And then once we get everything kind of the way I want it, I'm gonna put a driver figure in here, then we'll go ahead and attack the paint and body work on this thing, and get it out on the trails. So till next time, old Uncle Lee, bullgearrc video, saying I'll see ya.